Hi everyone, now we are on the Tesla. Installed this CarPlay, an interconnect module with Android Auto. Then the module, we installed it here. It's installed here and can't be seen at all. It has been installed. So let's look at the system. It's Linux system, which is very smooth and stable. It is now installed. It uses a picture-in-picture display. The switching is very fast. The OEM interface will not be blocked. You can view the OEM interface here. Now connected to wireless CarPlay. Let's click in. CarPlay can be displayed. We transmit sound through Bluetooth. The sound quality is very good. Supports lossless sound quality. And then, we can support adjusting the icon. This free scaling. If you are still not satisfied, we can further enter this setting. To adjust these resolutions of this CarPlay, you can achieve different display layouts. Now connected to CarPlay. Let's switch to Android Auto now. We can switch to Android Auto here. Connected to Android Auto. Use the function of Android Auto. Then Android Auto supports this. Small, medium, and large. It is a small, medium, and large size that can set icons. It will display a different layout. If we want to switch CarPlay, we can quickly switch it. CarPlay can be displayed. It's very fast. You can enable full screen display in the settings. Okay, it's a module for mobile phone interconnection. Modules for CarPlay and Android Auto. Thanks.